Good morning, children. Today I'm going to explain you about your holiday homework. So I have given you two activities in the holiday homework. First is your lamp. Okay, so you have to make a lamp with using tissue papers. You can use printed tissue papers as well as plain tissue papers. Okay, and the second activity is jar painting. Okay, so both the things I'm going to show you, and then you will use your own creativity and imagination to create your beautiful artwork. Okay, see children, here we have, when I've typed tissue paper lamps, so I've got so many types of lamps over here. Okay, in this what you have to do, you have to take one balloon. Okay, with the help of balloon, first you will blow the balloon and then you will paste like this. You can paste some printed tissue paper or maybe plain tissue paper you can paste on top of that balloon. First apply glue and then you have to paste the balloons like this. Okay, like this you will paste the paper, tissue paper or printed tissue paper or plain, whatever you want. And then here what they have done, they have pasted the flower petals. This is bougainvillea, see. So like this you can paste some leaves or some flowers on top of this, and then what we can do, you can keep it for 24 hours. You have to apply 2-3 layers, then you will keep it for 24 hours, and then what will happen, the layer of that tissue paper will become sturdy, and then what will you do, you will pop the balloon. So you will put a pin on that balloon and you will pop the balloon so that you can get that shape of the lamp. Okay, and if you have used the printed tissue paper, then you need not to paint. Okay, and if you have used some flower petals, then also you don't have to paint. But if you have used white tissue papers, so it's not compulsory to paint, but if you want you can paint, or you can see, you can paste some craft stuff also. See, so many examples are here. See this one. Okay, so many examples are there. When you will search, I have not made any video because I want you all to use your creativity and explore different types of lamps. See, here they have used bougainvillea flowers. Okay, bougainvillea flowers and leaf. Why they have used bougainvillea flowers? Because bougainvillea की जो leaf होती है ना, petals होती हैं, वो बहुत soft होती हैं, very fragile, तो बहुत easily stick हो जाती हैं. Okay, now your next activity is jar painting. So here when you type jar painting, you will get so many ideas. So whichever you like, see how beautifully they have painted the jars. So cute. So in this you don't have to use watercolors or poster colors, but you will use either, you can use chalk colors. Okay, chalk colors are a type of poster colors only, but they are very sturdy. Or you can use acrylic colors or fabric colors. Okay, so when you'll put if you use poster colors or watercolors, tab kya hoega, if you'll put water na, so that color will go. But if you'll use this acrylic colors, so you'll get this type of shine also, and that is water resistance also. And if you have to make your color more sturdy and more shiny, then you can apply a coat of acrylic spray. Okay, acrylic spray is also available in the market. So here you have different very cute ideas of jar. So you can use these ideas and you can make beautiful jar painting. You just have to take a glass jar, paint or do some craft, whatever you want, and then either you can use that as a pencil holder, or maybe you can put some soil and you can use as a planter. ठीक है, आप उसका planter भी बना सकते हो. Got it? I hope both the activities are clear with you, and I'm sorry for this late video. Some problem was there on my YouTube, so I was not able to upload. So that's why I'm doing it now. Now thanks a lot. God bless you all. Please do your activity nicely and enjoy your holidays. God bless you.